Palworld just dropped its August update. Here's the fastest way to get your mods working again without breaking your game. Make sure to stay until the end. I've got a pro tip that you cannot miss. Step 1. Make sure your game is fully updated in Steam or Xbox Game Pass first. Outdated files will cause most mod crashes after updates. Step 2. Download the latest version of UE4SS or your preferred Palworld mod loader. Old versions usually stop working right after a big patch. If this is working or not, let me know in the comments. I'll cover the best August ready mods next. Step 3. Reinstall your mod loader into the main Palworld folder. Usually it's under what you see on the screen right now. You can pause if you need to. Step 4. Only re-add mods that have been updated for the August patch. Check Nexus mods or your mods download page. Using outdated mods can corrupt your save. Pro tip: before adding anything new, back up your save files under what you see on your screen. Pause again if you need to, but feel free roll back if something breaks. And that's it. Your Palworld mods are now update proof. Comment if you want my list of the top August ready mods.